Feast your eyes on this! It's time to duel! You're the closest I've ever had to a worthy adversary. Duel! Here I go. My turn. Let the game begin! Apprentice Illusion Magician! I activate Apprentice Illusion Magician's effect! I set this card face up. Magician's Rod! I activate Magician's Rod's effect! I activate my quick play spell, Secrets of Dark Magic! Fusion summon! And I stop Dragoon! I activate my quick play spell, Soul Servant! With this, I end my turn. Here I go. My turn. I draw. Now's my chance. I reveal my face down card. My continuous trap activates. I set a card. Come on out. I summon a monster. I activate my monster's effect. Red Eyes Dark Dragoon activates its effect. Now, my continuous trap activates. Seems I recreated the Pharaoh's deck to be stronger than in real life. As long as I have a bond with my cards, I will never lose.